Allah the Exalted says, I have been commanded only to worship the Lord of the city, who has sanctified it, and His is everything, and I have been commanded to be the obedience. Surah Al-Naml, verse 91. Again, Allah the Exalted says, have we not provided them with a place in the safe sanctuary towards which all kinds of fruits are brought? A provision from us, but most of them know not. Surah Al-Qasas, verse 57. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam on the day of the conquest of Makkah said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has declared this house a sanctuary. Its thorn must not be cut, its game must not be chased after, and its wind must not be picked up except just for announcement. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1587.